Hey everyone, it's Dr. Henkel here. Welcome to our 10th week of your research course. And we are well over halfway done now. So let's go ahead and dive into this week. It goes from November 1st through November 7th. So this week, what you're going to be doing is focusing on reading chapter 11 out of your Creswell text. It's correlational designs. So you're going to learn specifically about those type of designs in quantitative research, the correlational designs. And I find it very interesting. I enjoy reading and learning and doing these type of design studies. So you'll read your PowerPoint here, and then here is a correlational study example that you will go ahead and read as part of your assignments because you'll need to use that study to complete a future assignment. So here is your forum. And it says, after reading chapter 11, refer to that ethical dilemma box on page 363. And that's where it describes it's about a dilemma describing results inappropriately. So you're going to read that article that I just showed you as well. And I want you to discuss the question at the end of the scenario. And it states, how would you suggest that a researcher rewrite the result? It was found that prior academic success and support systems for freshman students caused their higher grade point averages in college. And please discuss why that would be misleading. So you're going to follow the normal forum guidelines for that and have some interesting conversations with your classmates this week. So have your initial post done by Thursday and then respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. And then I posted the guidelines here underneath that for you to see as well. So that's your first assignment. Your second assignment is the research journal article review. So review the example research journal article that was provided for the correlational design. I want you to save it and print it out and then read it. And then I want you to focus on just the methodology section and answer the following questions regarding that article. And as always, adhere to the APA guidelines and submit it as a Word document. So after you read that article, you'll be able to answer these questions. How many groups were there and how many people were in each group? What was the main factor that distinguished the two groups? What factors of the participants in the two groups did the researcher correlate? See table 3. And then what differences were found between the two groups? What was the only meaningful difference between the two groups? And list 2 limitations of the study. So once you do that, you'll submit your assignment there. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You'll be able to do that. Won't take you too long. And then the next part is we're going to actually write the introduction section of your proposal. So it's just going to be a rough draft form. You'll send it to me. It'll be about 1 to 2 pages in length. And then make sure to include your topic, your purpose statement, your research questions, and hypothesis if applicable. You do not have to include an abstract. We can write that at the end. You would write that at the end of your study after doing your research and everything. So we're not going to focus on the abstract. And then, as always, APA guidelines. So that will include those components, and that's what I'll be looking for as I grade your rough draft of your introductions. So you'll submit those by November 7th. So you see how we're just slowly piecing together your research proposal. And right here, you'll submit your notes for the week. And here you'll do your weekly reflection. And finally, this is your week 10 quiz over correlational design. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. And y'all have a great week. And God bless. Take care.